Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to remount an ejected USB device without unplugging and reinserting it in the USB port. Why we are doing this? If you are using desktop PC in your office, it is difficult to unplug and again reinsert your USB device in the backend of your CPU. So for convenient purpose for the office users, if you know the trick how to remount your USB device without standing up from your sitting chair, so it will be very helpful for the office users or computer users who are working in office or in lab or anywhere in the. Let me first show you. I am already inserted an USB device which is named as USB drive E, which has certain files. Now if you eject if you will eject your device, you won't be able to again use your files inside the USB drive. For that reason, you have to again unplug and reinsert the USB device in your USB port to access the files inside the USB drive. But it is very tiresome work to again unplug and reinsert your USB device in the back of your CPU. So if you know the trick how to do it by your mouse, then it will be very helpful. For that reason, right click on this PC icon from your desktop, or it may be my computer. Click on manage. Go to the device manager. Explore the universal serial bus controller. Here you can see USB mass storage device. Right click on this. First disable this device. It will ask, disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable? Yes. Now right click on this icon and enable this device. You can see one message is pop up which tells there is a problem with this device, scan the device and now fix it. That means you are now able to access your device. See, USB drive E has been appear again in your my computer. Double click on this and you can get into inside this one and you can access your files. Sometimes you won't be able to get access to your USB device just by disabling and enabling this one. You have to do it twice. Again you have to disable this one, again you have to enable this one. After doing this twice, disable and enabling, you will get access to your USB device. So write a comment whether it is helpful for your office work or not, and if you want to know anything else for this one, you can also write a comment on the comment section. Thank you.